to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for August 14, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 5:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 7:52 p.m. The Perseid meteor shower continues before morning twilight begins, but at a lower rate than at yesterday's peak rate. The center or radiant of the shower rises higher into the sky after midnight. Most meteors can be seen anywhere in the sky, but mostly toward Perseus, the shower's point of origin. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before daylight, look for a razor-thin moon, 3% illuminated, nearly 10 degrees above the east-northeast horizon. It is 7.2 degrees to the lower left of Pollux, one of the Gemini twins. The new moon phase occurs in 2 mornings at 4:38 a.m. CDT. Attempt to see Earth shine on the moon this morning. The effect is weaker with the moon near the horizon. Between the lunar cusps or horns, notice the gentle glow from sunlight reflected from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land. At this hour, bright Jupiter is high in the southeastern sky. It is moving eastward in front of Aries, 13.1 degrees to the lower left of Hamel, the constellation's brightest star, and 11.3 degrees to the upper left of Menkar, part of Cetus. Jupiter stops moving eastward against the starry background on September 4th and begins the illusion of retrograde as Earth overtakes and begins to move between the planet and the Sun on November 2nd. Notice the Pleiades star cluster, to the left of Jupiter, along with Aldebaran and the Hyades lower in the sky. Uranus is nearly between Jupiter and the Pleiades, but it does not fit into the same field with either. It is in a star field with the nondescript stars Delta Arietis, Zeta Arietis, Tau Arietis, and 63 Arietis. See the article for a chart to use with a binocular. Uranus is dimmer than this quartet. Place the stars near the top of the binocular field and Uranus is at the center, appearing as a dim aquamarine star. A tiny globe can be seen through a telescope. While the chart is dated, the planet is slow-moving and does not move far from day to day or week to week. It can be used to find the planet for a few weeks. Saturn is farther westward, over 20 degrees up in the southwest. For urban and suburban sky watchers, the ringed wonder nearly stands alone because the background stars are faint. A binocular is needed to see the distant stars through the veil of perpetual outdoor lighting. While Saturn nears opposition on the 27th, it retrogrades, 7.8 degrees to the right of Skate, the Aquarian's leg, and 7.2 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. See the detailed star chart in the article. Venus passed inferior conjunction yesterday and it races into the morning sky. The planet is still in bright sunlight. In a week it rises nearly 50 minutes before the Sun. In the evening sky, Mercury continues its retreat into evening twilight. It is fading in brightness and sets 51 minutes after the Sun. It passes through inferior conjunction after midnight on September 6th. Mars is mostly a lost cause for spotting in the evening sky. It is quite dim and slowly sliding into bright sunlight, setting 77 minutes after the Sun. Its visual hiatus lasts until early 2024. Saturn rises earlier each evening. This evening it appears above the horizon 33 minutes after nightfall. By 2 hours after sundown, the planet is nearly 15 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. The ringed wonder is south about 4 hours before sunrise tomorrow and in the southwest during morning twilight. Jupiter rises less than 3 hours after Saturn and appears in the southeast before daybreak. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.